Hi everybody, it's Terry with paperologist.blogspot.com, and I'm filming from my iPhone. So this is always kind of exciting, but exciting because I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, and exciting because it doesn't give me the opportunity to edit. So you may hear a little bit of rambling, and I apologize in advance. But I thought I would share with you a couple of hauls. The first one is from Paper Tales. And I'm just going to pull everything out of the bag. Paper Tales is a small independent scrapbooking and rubber stamp store in San Diego. It's in the sports arena area, and so I just thought I would show you what I got. They're really good about getting new product very frequently, so that's always fun. So I got this little pet collar here, and it's just kind of fun. And then these two bunnies. I can't tell from my tripod. I'm pretty sure I'm in the camera, so let's hope for the best here. This one's named Moon and this one's named Jade. And they both are red rubber and they cling to acrylic blocks. And they both stamp well. This is from Sister Stamps. So the two little bunnies, very cute. And then I went ahead and got this one from Avery L. And I have several Avery L stamp sets, which I really do like a lot. And they stamp quite nicely. So I went ahead and got this one. I like that it's pieced here, and then you can add your various embellishments. So I think I'm going to be giving that one a try pretty soon here. And I don't see what the name... Oh, here it's called Thanks a Bunch. So that's called Thanks a Bunch. And then from Lawn Fawn, they had their new release. And I went ahead and splurged. And I got the stamp set and the matching dies. I have quite a number of them anyway. The price point was kind of high for me, but I did have a store credit. It's like a frequent buyer credit. So this one's called Chit Chat. And then this one is the matching dies. So I went ahead and got that. And then the really big splurge was the letter dies. And like I said, I did have a store credit, so that kind of took a little bit off. But I thought they were a really nice size, and I thought they had a lot of great potential. So I went ahead and got those. So that was my Paper Tales fix. And then I just wanted to show you these. They're kind of nice. They're embossing folders, and they came with a magazine. The UK magazines, which they sell at Joannes in my area, often come with, it's kind of like a gift with purchase or a premium. So this is the card magazine that I got. And then these three embossing folders came with it. So I think they're really just nice. They're strips, so I think there's a lot of potential here for these. And then here's the magazine. And then I also went ahead and got the Card Maker magazine for summer 2014 from Joannes. And now I have probably a pretty long haul. This one is from Tuesday morning, and the first thing I'm going to show you is not 100% scrapbooking or card making. It's just stuff. Martha Celebrations was at Tuesday morning, and I don't know about you guys, but I never got to see any of the Martha stuff in JCPenney store. My little JCPenney store near my house is quite small. So they never had this. I checked it out online a couple of times, but never actually made it to a large store to see the products. So anyway, I went ahead and got this package of napkins. There were other things that coordinated with it. However, I thought that these could work really nicely for Thanksgiving. And I know Thanksgiving's a ways away, but if you're like a lot of crafters, you probably have a stash box of napkins or those things. So 16 napkins, $1.49. Yeah, it's an okay price, especially for a holiday party. they had a lot of these sets, and this was the one that I decided to settle on because I think it's very festive. The price point I thought was pretty decent at $3. And you got 24 liners, and then you got these treat picks. So I'll go ahead and flip that around for you to see. So their retail price was $7. And like I said, they're $3. So there's a nice discount there. They had a lot of these sorts of things. So thought I would share those with you. And then when you get to the scrapbook stuff, you'll see it. But they're running a special where, you know, they have a discount on the color tag, and then they're also doing an additional discount. I think it was 20% off in addition to this. So this is great. I mean, I got 6 placemats, and it was $6. So that's $1 a piece less the 20%. So, oh, and then this was another 20%. That's what this, no, I'm not going to be able to edit this. I'm so sorry. The way this worked was this was 20% off the tagged price. Then after you took off the 20% or whatever your coordinating color was, they took another 50% off the clearance. So anyway, this worked out to be a great deal. So I went ahead and got 2 sets. They only had 2 sets. And I think that these actually, this color could again work for Thanksgiving or into summer. But I think they might be okay for Thanksgiving. So we'll see, especially if you have more of a casual table. But I like them. And the company is Park B. Smith. So anyway, that was kind of the non-crafty home decor sort of stuff that I got from Tuesday morning. Now we're going to do the really crafty stuff. And this bag is amazingly heavy, so I'm going to really just zoom through everything here. The wired ribbon was the same scenario with the discount off the price and then 50% off of that. So this is a wired ribbon. It's an ivory color, and it is, I can't remember. It says 38 millimeter, but I think that's probably this width. And I can't remember how many yards is on here. But I think it's a good amount, especially for the discounted price. And so I got that ivory color. And then I also got, sorry if I'm out of sound here. I also got this nice brown color, sort of chocolatey brown color. So those were $2.99 less 20%, and then half of that. I also picked up, these were 99 cents a roll, and I thought this had the length on them. I think it does actually, and maybe I'll find one. I want to say it's 10 yards. Again, I apologize because I'm not going to be able, I don't think, to very easily edit this. Anyway, it's 99 cents and it's really narrow. So I thought this would be perfect for cards. And I went ahead and just got this sort of ivory color because I've colored with Copics before on ribbon to make it match well, and it's worked out great for me. So anyway, and I apologize in advance for the rustling bag. So I got 1, 2, I think I got 3 rolls of that, but I'm not certain. I set a budget for myself and I try very hard not to go over it. I went ahead and got this We Are Memory Keepers chevron washi tape in the cocoa color. So I'll be kind of curious to see how that works. And this was $1.49 marked from $3.99. I remember when that was demoed at CHA, I think last summer, and I was just kind of okay about it. There's another roll of the brown wired ribbon, and another package of the washi tape, and this one is white. And I decided to go with white because, again, I think I might be able to color it. And there's some ideas on the back there. So the 2 rolls of washi tape, and I'm going to make a whole bunch of noise because I'm going to pull out all these packages of paper. There's one more roll of the brown wired ribbon. Can you tell I like the brown colors? Alright. So, sorry about all the noise. Okay, here we go. So, I'm going to try to move these things out of the frame. I have connected my iPhone to a tripod. I got a tripod connector through Amazon, and it works pretty good. The problem is that I can't see what you're seeing unless I stand up. So, here we go. All right. I got these 2 paper packs. I got 2 of them because they're holiday themed, and I just wanted to make sure that I had enough to do some sets of cards. So this is called a Wonderland collection. Most of the things that Tuesday Morning gets are not brand new, so you've probably seen this. But 36 sheets, and I guess I didn't realize that Studio Calico, maybe they teamed with American Crafts, but anyway, $3, so $2.99. And there's the papers. I think they'll work out perfectly for cards and tags and those kind of things. So anyway, 2 pads of those, and there's 36 sheets per. And then this was another one of those discounted off a discount kind of things, and I can't remember what pink meant. I think pink was like maybe 40% or something. I can't remember. This one's called Champs, and this is an 8x8, Me and My Big Ideas. And it's not exactly something that I would normally pick, but I do have 2 little nephews, and so I think it has potential. My dog is barking, so I may have to do this in 2 parts. Okay. So there you go. Just all kinds of different random things. Some of them are definitely sports themed. Others I think have more potential to be a little bit more generic, like the stars and those kind of things. So anyway, that was a song. They had several of those, but I only got the one. And then they had this pack, which is Little Yellow Bicycle, and this was 99 cents. And this is called Calendar Countdown. So I'm hoping that this is showing up on the screen. Let me stand up again here. Yeah, it's doing okay, I guess. You'll get the gist. So I got that one. And then I got a second one. So there's the images. Again, I think that you can cut them apart and stick them. I think these are stickers. Actually, it tells you all of the things that you get. You could definitely do probably a calendar or an Advent Day calendar for sure. All right, now moving on. Not that Terry needed any more paper, but it was just too good of a deal, and I was kind of in a shopping place. So this is cardstock. You get 25 sheets, I think. I'm sorry, 12 by 12, of course. Yep, 25 sheets. It's definitely a texture, and it was $1.99 in this bright pink color. And then same weight. I think these are all American Craft, but I'm not 100% certain. $1.99 for that really bright green. Went ahead and got a 12 by 12 black. Same price point. So basically what I did was I allowed myself to spend $10 on these papers. And then here's a blue. And I went ahead and got a second blue. I do some die cutting, and I want to do some more party good die cutting, so I think it's nice to have a goodly number of the solids. Now these were 99 cents each, and there's 12 sheets in here, and it's kind of a gray on one side and a smoother, lighter gray on the others. It's called Bewitched Fog, and these are from We Are Memory Keepers because they have a sticker on each sheet. So 99 cents for that. And then this color, which in the store looked a little more kind of really dark green, gray green. This one's called Storytime Castle, so I bet it's really a deep gray. Again, 25 sheets. This one, I'm sorry, 12 sheets. 12 sheets of each of these. This one's called Bewitched Goblin, which is, I don't know if this is really avocado green or more like a chartreuse, I think is the word. This one is sort of a rust color. And this one's called Storytime Pumpkin. And then this one is the same color, Storytime Pumpkin. So again, 99 cents for a package of 12, which I felt good about. And then here's some more We Are Memory Keepers. This is a really fun party design. So it's called Hip Hip Hooray. This site is called Streamers. And I'm hoping that this is on the back side of it. They have a piece of cardboard back here, so it's kind of tough to see. I got this great X-Acto knife at the Michael's clearance bin. What's kind of cool about it is that it's got a retractable blade. Let's just say when I was in graduate school, I had a not good experience with an X-Acto knife in my backpack. So I kind of learned my lesson. All right, I think I am right. Yay. Okay, so there's the back side. Now, isn't that interesting? That is not what I anticipated, but I'm not disappointed at all. So there's 4 6x6 coordinating papers. So that's pretty neat. I'm pleasantly surprised about that. And you wouldn't, I don't know how you would be able to tell that from here. All right, so the next one is this one, which is also part of the Hip Hip Hooray line. I actually thought that this one kind of looked like those Starburst candies. So I thought that that could go party, certainly, or even Christmas. So anyway, so let's see if we can see what the back side of this paper is. So in case you find some, you will know. Of course, you could always, I'm sure, go to the company website and take a look. But now see, ironic, isn't it? This one is the solid striped, which is nice. So this one does match closer to what that one is. So, surprise. And then this one is called Basics, and this is, you know, one of those ubiquitous chevrons. It's called Brown Chevron. These were each 99 cents, and they came with 12 sheets of, paper. Which, again, I think that's very reasonable. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. I think this one might just be brown on the other side. That's okay. I'm good with that. It's kind of crafty on the other side, I think. Yep, a nice deep craft. Wow, that's really nice. Had I realized that, I might have tried to see if there was another package, but I think I kind of picked up the ones of each that they had. So anyway, that is that. And so I think those are great deals on paper. I certainly do not need to buy any more paper. And then I got these from American Crafts. It's kind of like fuzzy cord, and I got 2 reds and a brown. So what I did was, these were 99 cents a piece, and it's called Jute Scarlet. So yeah, I suppose it is sort of jute-like. And one of these I know, at least I thought I knew, had the length of how much is on each roll. I think it's, especially because it's so skinny, I think it's a good deal. And so I showed you that one already. And this one, yeah, 10 yards. So this vanilla, this is what this color is called, is 10 yards. So as I mentioned, I allow myself a budget for my crafty goodness. And I did pretty good sticking to it out the Tuesday morning. I think I got great deals. And if you have one in your area, I heartily recommend that you check it out. And I thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a terrific day and happy crafting.